Ginger75652 here, and today I am in here making a video, and I have my friends with me, and I got my neighbor Claire with me, the one who was calling me Tina earlier, and we had a riot. So earlier we had a riot in here, me and my neighbor Claire, and she called me Tina, and then I had a ginger team, and it was so cool. It was really funny and stuff. So basically I'm just hanging out, and I have a lot of cool friends like, let's see. Oh my gosh, it's hard to click people. Like, let's give some shout outs to some people. Let's see. Like Kelly1516. She's awesome. She's really nice. And let's just, where's Commander? And then Tigtay. Will you please tell me, like, in the comments if I pronounce that right? I really don't know. Ooh, I'm sorry. I love this hat. I'm really sorry. Sorry, person. So send them stuff. Thanks. So Claire's here. We're just making a video. I was like, oh yes, my name is Ginger. Well, my real name is Jaden, but my Animal Jam name is Ginger. It's not Tina. It is not Tina. That name. I'm sorry, but that name bothers me. Okay, so basically now what we're doing is we're just gonna, hang out and stuff in here, talk to some people, because why not? What? Oh gosh.
Like, where are you?
And my brother's about to get on, which is fun. So I guess he's gonna be in my video. And so basically I'm just hanging out in here with everyone. We're sort of just chilling. But yeah, so also, will you guys comment down below if I should do a giveaway or not, because I don't know what the giveaway should be, and I don't know if I should wait till I get more watchers, because right now I don't really have any, because I've only had this YouTube for a while, like maybe a week or two, maybe like a month, I don't know, but yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just hanging out in here.
You've had it for a while, you just don't post a lot.
But yes, those two people I gave shout outs to earlier are super nice. I'm pretty sure they're both neighbors. Don't know for sure, but they've been really nice to me today, so I think you guys should trade them, gift them, do whatever you want. Just be really nice to them because they're really, really sweet. And they've been hanging out with me today. And yeah. Oh, also shout out to, I don't think she's on right now.
Jordan's on.
Oh God, my brother's on. Shout out to, she is on, of course, Sweetie, 41620, and she's of course with me right now. And shout out to Jelly Moo, she is one of my best friends on Animal Jam too. So I'm just hanging out here. Yeah. So let's just. What should I do, Claire? What should we do in this?
I don't know.
Let's.
Okay.
I'll ask the people. Jordan, what are you doing? Okay, so now we're sort of just hanging out. One of my sisters, my stepsister's on. Oh gosh. And so all those people I gave shout outs to, gift them and do stuff like that. So basically, please see my videos. It's Goblin. Okay, I will check it. Sorry, person. Sorry. Okay. What is it? is it again?
Like this video
What
if you
is,
think
wait,
Jaden
what was
should
her,
post
wait,
more.
what is her thingy? It's Goblin whatever. What is it again?
Oh, there's
I forgot.
Jordan.
Oh my gosh. Wait, what was her YouTube? Dang it, I forgot it. Goblin Rocks. Wait. Goblin Rocks 08. Okay, let's search this. Jordan, really? Hey, I eat people and beans. Wow.
I'm sad.
Does that account even have anything on it, or is it just?
Okay, guys, I'm reloading in. Okay. I got it. Jordan, please stop. Please. Jordan, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Who to follow? Wait, nope, down. Oh my gosh. My computer's still laggy. Load.
That's not my den, but okay.
Cool.
Ew, now mine's a lot better. That account doesn't have free chat and it annoys me so much.
Okay, I'm coming to your den. Okay. Oh, nice. Oh, wow.
You guys should come to my den.
Okay, better. Nice little thingy over here. It's a really good place to hide. Okay. What den am I at? Oh, what? This isn't even like the den I ever use. Oh my gosh. I just use the volcano.
Hey, someone's at my den.
Who's at your den?
It's some sweetie girl. I don't know who she is.
Well, thank you guys for watching this video. Do you have anything to say?
Yeah, do you know her? Like, did you click them? Because I do. Did you click on it?
Oh yeah, I know.
You know who you are, right?
It gets pretty. Oh my gosh, okay.
Look at this video.
So anyway, earlier today there was like tornado warnings and everything, and now there's like tree branches, and then like our pots broke outside with our flowers in it and stuff. It's crazy, you guys. No, it's ugly. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you want more videos. Comment down below if you guys think I should do a giveaway, and if so, what this giveaway should be. Okay? Thanks, you guys. Later, y'all. Bye.